Hello, I'm dgerard, and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, the old devil washes out in a deal with the new devil. Now, Oracle's a solid business. Mostly they sell enterprise databases. They have so many corporate and government deals that founder and CEO Larry Ellison doesn't even slightly have to pretend to be human anymore. But Ellison got greedy, and he did a deal with OpenAI. In September, Oracle signed a deal for OpenAI to pay them $300 billion for data centers over the next 5 years. The Oracle share price went through the roof. On September 9th, it was $251. On September 10th, $328, all-time high. Now, you might think, wait a moment, OpenAI's job is to burn money. They only had $10 billion annual revenue as of June last year, supposedly. How is OpenAI going to pay Oracle $60 billion a year? Well, Sam Altman's confident he'll work something out. Everyone in the world will buy enough ChatGPT to pay the bill. You just watch. Putting Oracle this close to the OpenAI money pit is not working out quite so well for Oracle. Oracle's always been the other cloud provider. You go to Amazon for stuff that works. You go to Azure if you're running Windows or you hate yourself, or both. You go to Google if you hate getting customer service. And you go to Oracle if you're foolish and you think a deal with Larry Ellison ends any other way than a fiery pit getting poked with pitchforks by demons, Oracle's lawyers. But Oracle really wants cloud deals. They think Stargate's their big chance. They've told Wall Street analysts they expect $166 billion each year in cloud revenue by 2030. But most of that completely imaginary number is OpenAI, in a deal that assumes OpenAI gets more venture capital funding than exists in the world, and doesn't die. Oracle's great stock price gains from the deal with OpenAI were reversed by November. Tech stocks had a dip around this time, but no one dipped as badly as Oracle. It almost looks like an OpenAI deal may not be stock market secret sauce magic anymore. Oracle's money guys are getting cold feet. The deal for a 1 gigawatt Stargate data center in Sail Iron Township in Michigan may be off, because Blue Owl Capital said in December they would not back the $10 billion deal to build the thing, though Oracle swears that data center is still happening. Finally, just today, Oracle got sued by a bunch of bondholders led by the Ohio Carpenters Pension Plan. Oracle had issued $18 billion in bonds in September to pay for its big Stargate plans. The people who lent Oracle that $18 billion are not happy, because Oracle made another $38 billion offering for data center bonds in October, and this made the September bonds drop in price badly. The bondholders say the September offering documents were, quote, false and misleading, unquote, because they didn't mention the October plans, which were already in motion, which crashed the price. This has been filed as a class action, but it's a big class action with a serious backer. Oracle's stock is $191 as I record this, which is down 23% on the $251 it was in September, before the OpenAI deal. Larry Ellison is not a stupid man. He can count. He's quite capable of looking at OpenAI's numbers and going, wait a minute. So I'm a bit surprised. Larry Ellison was fooled by, of all people, Sam Altman. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Net worth about 50p and a bottle top. Remember to forward this episode to at least one other person. hit like and subscribe on YouTube or leave a podcast review, and drop your $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes below. You know it's a prudent financial decision. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.